This video will show how to replace the carburetor on the GX200 engine. Before replacing the carburetor, we first need to make sure that the model of the carburetor matches. Before replacing the carburetor, we first need to make sure that the model of the carburetor matches. But in fact it is suitable for GX270, so I need to find another one. This is our website. You can search for the parts you need. There are two types of carburetor, one with a cup and the other without a cup. The carburetor with a cup can filter gasoline, and the one without a cup enters the cylinder directly. This time, I will replace the carburetor without a cup for this engine.